What will happen to your body if you start eating just 2 clove buds a day? The answer will surprise you. Would you believe that just 2 tiny buds of spicy clove can bring noticeable benefits to your body? As incredible as it may sound, regularly consuming just a couple of buds a day can strengthen the immune system, improve digestion, and even play a role in preventing some serious diseases, including cancer. And these are far from all the amazing properties of this spice. Before we explain exactly how clove affects health, let's figure out what it actually is. What is clove? Clove is the dried, unopened flower buds of the clove tree, which grows mainly in Indonesia. For centuries, it has been valued not only for its rich aroma and bold flavor but also for its healing properties. In many cultures, clove was used as a natural remedy for various ailments, from toothaches to stomach disorders. And today, thanks to scientific research, we know that these spicy buds contain many valuable substances, vitamins, minerals, and especially antioxidants that have a beneficial effect on the overall condition of the body. Here are just a few reasons why you should include clove in your daily diet. 1. Strengthening the immune system. Clove helps naturally stimulate the body's immune defenses. Thanks to its high content of vitamin C and other active compounds, it helps increase the number of white blood cells, the cells responsible for fighting infections. Regular consumption of clove can help your body cope more quickly with viruses and bacteria, especially during cold and flu season. 2. Supporting healthy digestion. If you suffer from digestive issues, such as bloating, nausea, or constipation, clove can be an excellent helper. It stimulates the production of digestive enzymes, improving food absorption and reducing gas formation. Interestingly, a study conducted by the Department of Pharmacology at the College of Medicine, University of Lagos, showed that clove extract can protect the stomach lining, providing an effect similar to that of certain anti-ulcer medications. Clove is also rich in fiber, an important component necessary for regular bowel function and prevention of constipation. Clove is especially effective if you grind the buds into a powder and take them with honey. This method enhances its healing properties. 3. A natural remedy for toothache. One of the most well-known and ancient uses of clove is for relieving tooth pain. The secret lies in a compound it contains, eugenol, which has strong analgesic and antiseptic effects. When applied to the inflamed area, clove powder or clove oil can temporarily relieve pain and reduce inflammation. 4. Supporting liver health. The liver is one of the most important organs in the human body. It is responsible for filtering blood, neutralizing toxins, processing medications, and participating in metabolism. Supporting liver health is extremely important, especially in today's world with its stresses, poor diet, and exposure to harmful substances. A study conducted by the Department of Food Science and Nutrition in Cairo, Egypt, showed that eugenol, which is found in clove, can improve liver function. This active compound helps reduce oxidative stress and protects the liver from damage caused by toxins. Regular but moderate consumption of clove can be an excellent way to prevent liver diseases and keep its functions at a high level. 5. Pain relieving and anti-inflammatory action. One of the most valuable properties of clove is its ability to reduce pain and inflammation. The same eugenol plays a key role. It acts as a natural analgesic and anti-inflammatory agent, reducing pain sensations and easing the condition in cases of various types of inflammation. These properties of clove are especially useful for headaches. There are 2 proven ways to use this spice in such cases. Internal use. Mix a little ground clove with a pinch of rock salt and dissolve this mixture in a warm glass of milk. This drink helps reduce headaches and has a calming effect. External application. Several clove buds can be soaked in coconut oil, or another carrier oil, after which the resulting mixture is rubbed into the temples or forehead area. This is especially effective for tension and migraines. The essential oils in clove gently relieve pain and promote relaxation. 6. Supporting bone and joint health. Few people know that clove can benefit not only the internal organs but also the musculoskeletal system. It contains manganese, eugenol, and flavonoids, which help strengthen bone tissue and joints. These substances participate in bone mineralization, increase their density, and promote the regeneration of cartilage and joint tissues. In addition, manganese is important for brain function, it improves cognitive abilities and helps maintain mental clarity. So a daily dose of clove can be not only tasty but also beneficial for your joints and nervous system. 7. Powerful antibacterial action. Clove has pronounced antibacterial properties. Scientists from the University of Buenos Aires tested clove oil against serious pathogenic bacteria, such as Escherichia coli, E. coli, and Staphylococcus aureus, staph. The results showed that clove oil effectively suppresses the growth of these microorganisms. Based on these properties, a natural mouth rinse was developed, made from tea tree, basil, and clove oils. The periodontology faculty of KUL University, Belgium, reported that with regular use of such a remedy, after just 3 weeks, there was a noticeable reduction in plaque and an improvement in gum condition. 8. Potential aid in cancer prevention. Studies conducted by several scientific institutions, including Capital Medical University in Beijing, the University of Pittsburgh, Roswell Park Cancer Institute, and the University of Minnesota, have shown that clove extract may have anti-tumor effects. It slows tumor growth and promotes apoptosis, the natural death, of cancer cells. A particularly strong effect was noted on lung, breast, and ovarian cancer cells. The main role in this is played by eugenol, the key active compound in clove. However, it is extremely important to remember that eugenol can be toxic if overdosed. Therefore, before using clove for medicinal purposes, especially in cases of serious diagnoses, you must consult with a doctor. 9. A rich source of antioxidants. Clove is recognized as one of the most powerful natural sources of polyphenol, antioxidants that play a crucial role in protecting the body from oxidative stress. These substances help lower levels of bad cholesterol, support cardiovascular health, slow aging processes, and contribute to longer active life. The antioxidants in clove neutralize free radicals, molecules that can damage cells and contribute to the development of chronic diseases, including cancer, heart disease, and inflammatory conditions. 10. Blood sugar regulation. Clove can become a natural helper for people with carbohydrate metabolism disorders, including diabetics. Studies have shown that its active compounds act similarly to insulin, they help cells absorb glucose, lowering blood sugar levels. In a 2006 study, diabetic patients took small doses of clove daily for a month. The results showed an improvement in glycemic profile and a reduced risk of complications. In another study conducted at the International Center for Chemical and Biological Sciences at the University of Karachi, Pakistan, it was found that clove stimulates not only sugar absorption but also activates the cells that produce insulin. 11. Supporting normal blood clotting. Clove contains vitamin K, an essential element necessary for normal blood clotting. It is especially important for people who suffer from a tendency to bleed due to a deficiency of this vitamin. However, it is worth remembering that vitamin K can have undesirable interactions with anticoagulants, blood-thinning medications. Therefore, people taking such medications should definitely consult a doctor before adding clove to their diet in medicinal doses. How to use clove properly. Dr. Andrew Weil, a specialist in holistic and integrative medicine, notes that clove is not only an ancient spice with more than 2,000 years of use in Chinese cuisine and medicine but also a universal remedy for maintaining health. Today you can find clove in 2 forms, whole buds and ground. Whole buds retain their aroma longer and are better for long-term storage. The spice has a warm, sweet, spicy aroma that makes it indispensable in many cuisines around the world. Clove is added to meat dishes and stews, used in marinades, hot drinks, such as spiced tea, sauces including Mexican mole, as well as in desserts, bread, and pastries. The possibilities are endless, it all depends on your imagination. Have you already added clove to your diet? Try adding it to your favorite dishes, and see how your energy, well-being, and overall health change. Share your impressions, and don't forget to subscribe to learn more about natural ways to support your health and live on the bright side of life.